Hi, it's me, your city. I know it's been a long day, so slow down just for a moment. You walk my streets for years, sometimes rushing, sometimes wandering without knowing why. Maybe you didn't notice, but I've noticed you. I watched you grow through school mornings, college afternoons, through friendships that felt unbreakable, and dreams that felt so big until someday they did. I remember the nights when everything here came alive. Buses racing to the next stop, people rushing beside them, trying not to miss the last ride home, tea shops full of laughter, gossip, and endless conversations, late night street food, shakes after dinner, corn on the roadside, and movies. Everything feels nostalgic. First day for shows, midnight screenings, cheering in the theater so loudly that the walls vibrated. You and your friends hopping from one movie to another on a single day, not because you had bad time, but it felt like life. Cinema wasn't entertainment here. It was celebration, an escape, an emotion, another language we all understood without speaking. Sunday families in restaurants, friends sharing one plate because money was short but time was plenty. College groups filling the streets like they owned them. Couples walking quietly, hoping no one recognized them. And through all of this, temples, churches, mosques stand side by side. Different prayers, but one heartbeat. Some nights were chaos, traffic, sounds, and voices everywhere. But inside that chaos, there was meaning. You learn life here, in the noise, in the silence, and in the memories you didn't realize you're making. People say that I am roads, bridges, signals, shops, but no, I am built from moments like these. Your childhood, your friendships, your pain, laughter, and dreams. And even if you left, even if time carried you somewhere far away, a part of you still belongs to me. When you return, even after years, something inside you softens. Not nostalgia, it's belonging. So tonight, don't rush, don't think ahead. Let the distant trains, late buses, the glow of street lights, the soft heartbeat of the night remind you that you are connected to something that never stopped caring for you. And listen, if life becomes heavy, if you feel lost or tired, come back. Come walk my streets, watch a movie, eat the food that tastes like memory, laugh loudly, talk nonsense, feel young again. even if only for a night, and I'll still be there, steady, patient, recognizing you. Because you're not forgotten, you're not alone, you belong here, and this is your city.